All right, what's up, guys? So here today we actually have a Model X Tesla. We are doing a dechrome on the whole thing, so that means all the window trims, the I guess door handle, the mirror caps, the front. I didn't know you could see that, but so that, and then just other parts of the car that has chrome on it. But for this video specifically, I'm actually gonna teach you guys how to do these. So first things first, you guys gotta clean the doors, the door handles. A quick show for you guys. Spray it on your cloth, because I don't want any overspray on this. Just, gently wipe it down. Make sure it's clean, and then dry it off. Cool. That's done. Next, what you want to do, what I like to do, is tape it off. Tape off what you're working on, because what we're going to be doing is we are cutting right where this angle is. So make sure you have good coverage. Cool. Got that. And at this curve, it's not too big of a deal, but get most of it down. So you got that. And you got that. Kind of like plasti dipping, but only with wrap. Cool. This is so you can prevent cutting into what you don't want to cut. Give it a quick wipe down one more time. All right, cool. Now let's get started. What we're using today is 3M carbon fiber, 3M 1080 series. You guys see that right there? See? So, and this is directional. So what you guys want to do is make sure it's flowing the same direction as how you want to wrap the car. So we actually have excess, so I'm actually going to cut a little bit out. Cool. All right. Much better. Just put this back away. Usually I like to use a glove. We'll see. Might as well just use it. Cool. So you got that. You don't want to peel this off all the way. You want to start at a section. The only reason why is because we're like next to an airport, so dust is actually quite an issue. All right, then go through and just glide it right through. And just like that, you're done. You can get back to customer. I'm just kidding. All right, anyway. So cool, we got that down. And make sure you squeeze out all the air bubbles. All right. And then what you want to do, take your knife, razor, knife, blade, whatever. And where you feel the indent, actually, you know what? Let's do this. Because I've done this many times before, I'm comfortable with cutting into this. There we go. And there we go. So you got that. Next thing, you grab your squeegee. You want to kind of lift this up a little bit so you can tuck it a little in a little. Lift the top part up, push in just a little bit so you have that little indent. I don't necessarily use heat because one, it's actually pretty warm right now. It's in like the mid 80s. And two, you have a higher chance of failure if you use heat. There we go. And there we go. So that's the first part. We'll post heat it, obviously, because that is necessary. All right, next up, what you want to do is you want to cut along the body line of the car. So let's start with this. So I start it. There we go. And just slowly glide it right through. Cool. So you got that bottom piece down. Now you need the top piece. And you're not putting pressure into it. You're letting the blade do all the work. Going to here, you're gonna curve it. Cool. Now that's down. Next up, you're gonna work on this side. Just like the front, you're gonna lift this up. The other reason why you tape this in is so that it doesn't stick all the way. So it's actually quite useful. If you guys notice, I use both ends. It really depends on your preference. There is no right or wrong on this. It's just whatever you feel is more comfortable. And right now I'm just doing a quote unquote cold tuck. There we go. And then from there, cool. Start it. Actually, you know what? Let's get rid of this. There we go. And then start from here. Just nice and slow. Absolutely no pressure into this. Right here, you want to curve it just a little bit. Cool. Next, remove the excess. Once you remove it, it's gonna look pretty dang good. All right, but we're not done yet. Next, what you want to do is tuck, cold tuck everything in before you grab the heat gun. Make sure all this is in fully. And now you grab the heat gun. And I know a lot of people will be asking, and I'll answer this for you guys as well. You don't want it too hot. If you're using one of these, about 750 is the highest you want to go. You don't want it melting. Make sure that everything is heated. Okay, cool. You want to run it through. Just slowly run it through so it heats it up. Right when you see it kind of curving in, grab a squeegee, just tuck it right in. Remove that. Towards that corner, just heat that up as well, and push. Heat it up, push. Go from the bottom. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna start on this end because it's the farthest away from me. Make sure you heat it up correctly. Make sure that's heated up. And once you're done with that, you're basically done. And there we go. Let's bring up the speed on this to the final heat, just so it stays in. It's locked. But yeah, and that's how it's done. Turn this guy off, and let me get you guys a closer look on this with this right here. So let's grab this. As you guys can see, here you go. someone's here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, leave a comment. And yeah. Oh, and one of my guys is here.